Hello, this is the DIY Magician, and again, we're on the journey to see how to be funny. And we're here with
Skipway.
Skipway. Thank you very much for coming today and helping me out on this fun journey. Now, the questions start with something easy, and then it gets harder as we go. Yes. The first question is, who is your comedy inspiration?
Where do I begin? Charlie Chaplin, Buster Keaton, Three Stooges, Steve Martin, Gary Shelton. Who? Yeah. The slapstick sense of humor that I really enjoy a lot.
Do you have one favorite?
Probably Steve Martin among the most of them. Yeah, he's awesome.
He is, and in fact, he has a new how to do comedy online, and it's well worth it from what I hear. So,
which I'm taking. It's well worth it. Taking, yes.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it. So, now the next question is, what is funny to you?
Wow. What's funny to me?
Is there some sort of thing that makes you laugh? What makes you laugh the most?
Funny stuff. I don't know.
Funny stuff. Well, is there a routine or what have you that maybe Steve Martin does that would trigger your funny bone?
Am I having stage fright right now?
No. You're fine. No. Did you ever see Flydini?
Oh yeah. We can't talk about that.
Oh, you can. He was on the. Okay.
Yeah, we can't discuss that. It's Cadabra. That's that's.
Well, then is there something? What type of thing is funny to you? What is the definition of funny to you?
I love the slapstick humor, especially the humor that flashes back on me, and whatever makes a family or a child member laugh, family member or child laugh, and have it happen to me, and that's the slapstick sort of thing that I enjoy.
So slapstick is your genre.
That's my key. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Now, is there some funny moment, unscripted moment that has taken place on stage when you're performing? Could you tell me one of those?
I do a lot of outdoor festivals, and I was performing at one such festival on my stage, a children's stage, and about halfway through my show, this small deer decided to run out from behind one of the buildings and right in front of my stage, and almost trampling a couple children, which was hilarious, and then ran off down the street, and all the kids are like, do it again.
It's like following Santa.
Yeah, it's like, ta-da, what can you do, Yeah, that's probably the biggest one.
Well, that's a good one. I like that one. I like when nature calls on that type of thing. So now, let's see. They're getting more difficult now. This is, what makes you funny?
My passion for what I do, I think, and the desire to just, I'm fine with people laughing with me. And laughing more or less at me, I guess, and just sharing that laughter and humor with them.
Now, is there something that is unique to your comedy style or your funny style?
My background's in clowning. I clowned for over 20 years. My grandfather was a circus clown. I learned from him. So again, that slapstick kind of humor and that silliness, just general silliness.
Good. So clowning would be a good place to go.
Yeah.
Now, here's the most difficult one, and I save it for last. What does it take to be funny?
Pain. I think all comedians, all performers have that one center, that one point of pain or something that drives them to be funny and to entertain others. I think that's, I don't know, it's a basic thing.
So the tears of a clown, in other words, that type of thing.
Tears of a clown, sure.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, because we're on it's a wild journey, hopefully, and we're gonna get all sorts of answers on this. So this is good. Thank you very much, Skip. I appreciate you coming. And again, this is a DIY Magician on the journey to find out how to be funny.
If you enjoyed that video, join the
Learn to Entertain YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the DIY Magician, join the DIY Magician Facebook group or artist page. And if you are a professional entertainer, you may want to join the DIY Magic Facebook group. Thank you again and enjoy.